Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Distinction. Distinction. Distinction means difference or contrast. For example, there is a sharp distinction between what is work and what is leisure. There is a sharp distinction between what is work and what is leisure. Synonyms: difference, contrast, dissimilarity. Distress. Distress. Distress means extreme anxiety or sorrow. For example, to his distress he saw that she was trembling. To his distress he saw that she was trembling. Synonyms: anguish, suffering, pain. Doctrine. Doctrine. Doctrine means belief or set of beliefs held and taught by church. For example, the doctrine of predestination. The doctrine of predestination. Synonyms: creed, credo, dogma. Documentation. Documentation. Documentation means material that provides official information or evidence or that serves as record. For example, you will have to complete the relevant documentation. You will have to complete the relevant documentation. Synonyms: official paper, legal paper, paper. Dominance. Dominance. Dominance means power and influence over others. For example, the worldwide dominance of Hollywood. The worldwide dominance of Hollywood. Synonyms: supremacy, superiority, ascendancy. Donor. Donor. Donor means person donating something. For example, an anonymous donor has given 25. An anonymous donor has given 25. Synonyms: giver, contributor, benefactor. Dose. Dose. Dose means quantity of medicine or drug to be taken. For example, he took a dose of cough medicine. He took a dose of cough medicine. Synonyms: amount, quantity, measure. Duo. Duo. Duo means pair of people. For example, the comedy duo Laurel and Hardy. The comedy duo Laurel and Hardy. Synonyms: pair, duo, duology. Dynamic. Dynamic. Dynamic means force stimulating change or progress. For example, evaluation is part of the basic dynamic of the project. Evaluation is part of the basic dynamic of the project. Earnings. Earnings. Earnings means money obtained in return for labor or services. For example, he claimed damages for loss of earnings. He claimed damages for loss of earnings. Synonyms: income, wages, salary. Ease. Ease. Ease means absence of difficulty or effort. For example, she gave up smoking with ease. She gave up smoking with ease. Synonyms: effortlessness, no difficulty, no trouble. Echo. Echo. Echo means sound caused by reflection of sound from surface. For example, the walls threw back the echoes of his footsteps. The walls threw back the echoes of his footsteps. Synonyms: reverberation, reverberating, reflection. Educator. Educator. Educator means person who provides instruction or education. For example, the perspective of a professional educator. The perspective of a professional educator. Synonyms: teacher, tutor, instructor. Effectiveness. Effectiveness. Effectiveness means degree to which something is successful in producing desired result. For example, the effectiveness of the treatment. The effectiveness of the treatment. Synonyms: success, successfulness, efficacy. Efficiency. Efficiency. Efficiency means property of being efficient. For example, greater energy efficiency. Greater energy efficiency. Synonyms: organization, order, orderliness. Ego. Ego. Ego means person's sense of self-esteem or self-importance. For example, a boost to my ego. A boost to my ego. Synonyms: self-esteem, self-importance, self-worth. Elite. Elite. Elite means select group that is superior to the rest of group. For example, the elite of Britain's armed forces. The elite of Britain's armed forces. Synonyms: best, pick, cream. Emergence. Emergence. Emergence means process of becoming visible after being concealed. For example, I misjudged the timing of my emergence. I misjudged the timing of my emergence. Synonyms: disclosure, becoming known, coming to light. Endorsement. Endorsement. Endorsement means action of endorsing person or thing. For example, the issue of full independence received overwhelming endorsement. The issue of full independence received overwhelming endorsement. Synonyms: support, backing, approval. Enforcement. Enforcement. Enforcement means act of compelling observance of or compliance with law or obligation. For example, the strict enforcement of environmental regulations. The strict enforcement of environmental regulations. Synonyms: imposition, implementation, application.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.